Hello viewers, welcome back, and today I'm showing you how to use TikTok after ban in India. So let's begin our video. So if we open TikTok application, and here you can see the TikTok application is not working, and if you press or refresh again and again, but it's not showing or it's not working. Here you can see it's not working. No way you can use it because it's banned in India. So I'm gonna show you how to use this TikTok application in India. It's 100% working. So I hope you can enjoy this video and this video can help you. So if you don't miss any step and step watching carefully, I'm gonna show you step by step. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to go your settings, phone settings. Here you can see this is my phone settings. So go to your phone settings, and after go to your phone settings, then scroll down, and after scroll down you get a option apps. Here you can see it's apps. So simply tap on this apps, and after that you need to go manage apps. Here you can see manage apps. So go to your manage apps. Now you need to find out for TikTok application. I'm looking for TikTok application. So I never find recently. Scroll down, here you can see TikTok application. So simply open it, and then you can find a option on the down, clear data. So simply tap on clear data. Then you need to clear cache. That's it. Now you need to lace back. And now second step, you need to go your Play Store, Google Play Store, and after go to your Google Play Store, then go to search bar and type TURBO. Just type it. Then you get a Turbo VPN. Here you can see this is Turbo VPN. So guys, you need to install this Turbo VPN successfully. After install this Turbo VPN, then let's back. Then open your, here you can see Turbo VPN. So you need to launch on this Turbo VPN. And after launch on this Turbo VPN, you can connect country wise. Here you can see lot of countries is showing here. You can use any countries, only except India. Without India you can select any country from here. So I connect it randomly, and I am looking which country is connected. If connected India, just minimize it, then again connect it. Here you can see, sorry, cut this. Here you can see it's connected America, so United States, so it's okay. Don't connect India. If you connect India, then change it. Okay, then your second step is finished already. So now you can open your TikTok application. So guys, you need to wait, and here you can see finally your TikTok application is open and it's working. Here you can see your TikTok application is finally work. So guys, in this way you can use TikTok application on India, or you can use this TikTok application after ban in India. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That's your request for you. I hope you can do it, and stay with me for next tutorial for TikTok and other social media apps. So thank you everyone for watching this video.